G'day everyone, welcome out here to Coldcliff Beach. Well, as you know, the beach is a beautiful place to come, have a lot of fun and enjoy yourself. But a beach is a very dangerous place as well, and you've got to do some things to keep yourself safe when you come to the beach. One of the first things you can do is have a look at the red and yellow flags. That's been set up as a place where there'll be a lifeguard watching you swim in between those flags. It doesn't mean it's safe, it just means someone's watching you, and they found the safest place on the beach to put the flags. There's no rips, there shouldn't be any rocks, it should be quite good to get in and out there, relatively safe. So that's the first thing about the beach, is to always swim, if you're going to swim, between the red and yellow flags. I'm now going to point out a couple of the dangerous things at the beach so that you can keep yourself safe. So let's just go for a walk. Okay, so one of the hazards at Coldcliff Beach are all the rocks. There's rocks everywhere at Coldcliff. Quite dangerous. Not a lot of sand under the water. See that great big rock over there? You run into that when you're on a wave, it's really going to hurt you. The other thing about Coldcliff is the shore break. If you just watch that for a little while, it's very shallow, and then the shore break comes up and knocks you over if you're not careful. So if you've got little kids and they're standing on the edge there, they can be knocked over and then washed in. So just watch this little while, here comes a wave, and you watch it just go smash on the edge. When there's a big surf running, that's about 4 times bigger, and it really knocks you over and is very dangerous. Here's another one. So the shore break and the rocks at Coldcliff Beach are 2 hazards you've got to be aware of. What I'm talking about now is a rip. Just out here we have a rip. It's a bit hard to see, but what happens is, with all the waves coming in, with all that water, the water's got to get back out again. So it comes in, travels up here, and it goes out the rip. And the rip today is only about 20-30 metres just going out here. It's very hard to see. But if you don't know the beach, and you don't know about swimming very well, if you get caught in that rip, it'll take you out. And suddenly, you can't stand up. If you're not a very good swimmer, you can drown like that. Now, we've talked about at school in the pool, if you're caught in a rip, either lie on your back, put up your hand, and just go with the rip until the lifeguard comes and gets you, or swim to the side. Because when you swim to the side, you get to the waves, and the waves will bring you back in. So that's rips. Very dangerous. They drown lots of people because people panic. All they have to do is lie on their back, put up their hand, and someone will come and save them. Okay, so this is the rocks at Coldcliff. If you're an experienced surfer, you'll actually jump off the rocks, paddle straight into the waves there, so you don't have to paddle all the way out. Well, this guy now is paddling all the way out. If he just jumps off the rocks, it's a quicker way out. That's for really experienced surfers. But even the best of us can get into trouble. One of the most experienced surfers I know, about 2 months ago, jumped off these rocks, got hit by a wave, slammed under the water into the rocks, knocked unconscious, broke his neck and drowned. Luckily he's been revived. He's going to be in hospital for about 6 months while he learns to walk again. So you have to respect the ocean. Doesn't matter how good you are, how long you've been surfing or swimming. And if you don't know the beach very well, the best place to go is in between the flags to swim. And if you're not sure, go and ask the lifeguard or the surf lifesavers, and they may tell you, today, go for a swim in the pool over there. It's a lot safer.